Gentlemen, day 4. It is Thursday of Mustang. Wait. It is Thursday and day 4 of Mustang week, and we are getting ready to go outside. Alyssa's patiently waiting to scoop her ice, like always, because we're making our lunchbox for today.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Jax is waiting for an ice cube. Jax loves ice cubes. It is currently 1 o'clock, and I didn't go to the Cars and Coffee this morning. I was absolutely beat this morning. Just showered and everything, took care of what we needed to do. Our business cards are coming today, so that's fun, that's cool. I've been trying to catch up on the Instagram reels and posting the videos and editing and making sure everything's all squared away. So that was my main concern for today. There's still plenty of things going on today that we can find and get content. And yeah, tomorrow's the big day, which is Friday, day 5 of Mustang week. Or day 4, no, day 5. Day 5 of Mustang week. We have to be out of here by 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Well, 4:20, somewhere around there. Be at the Myrtle Beach Mall around 5. And then check in, get into the car show. I have to clean the car tonight, or today actually, which I completely forgot about doing. I gotta clean the car, get the car ready, and do all that. And yeah, so I'll get what content I can today, clean the car when I can, and do what I can, and we'll go from there. I think, I don't know, or I'm just red. I still got a shower tonight. I have over 280 clips I have to edit from tonight. So there's a lot of footage. Just want to say I'm gonna try and get this video out before the Myrtle Beach Mall, which is tomorrow, day 5. Today's video is day 4, which I'm editing right now, which is this. And I'm going to be having merch with me. I'm going to have my decals and my stickers with me. So decals and vinyl stickers, same thing, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna have those with me. So check my Instagram for the prices and everything, or just ask me in person. And I'm gonna have my bottles of ceramic that everybody loved with me for sale. There's a limited amount of them, so they're gonna go really quick. So make sure you come and grab one before everybody else does. It is 1 bottle for $25, 2 for $40, or 3 for $50, I think. 55. 50 or 55. Matter of fact, it's 3 for $50 if you see this video. Mention this video, it's 3 for $50. I don't care. I'm a nice guy. So anyway, I just want to throw this in there before the video goes any longer. I love you guys. Deuces. Getting ready to clean the car, and it may not look that dirty on camera, but you can see we're collecting a little bit of sand everywhere. Whole lot of brake dust. And my front end is absolutely covered in bugs. So we're gonna detail the car real quick. Head on over to TGI Fridays, get some pull-outs and pull-ins for you guys. And when I get home tonight, we're gonna clean the interior and make sure everything's clean under the hood and get in between, you know, the brakes, the wheel jumps, and everything else inside of the garage tonight, so I can pay a bit more attention to what I'm doing, and it won't be so windy out and the sun won't be in my eyes. I can see a little bit more underneath. So let's take care of this and get everything cleaned up. Car is clean, ready to go. Tire shines on the tires. I'll put on more tomorrow. Didn't do a lot right now because I don't feel like making the car a mess again after we just washed it. But looking good, looking shiny. So it's ready to go. Brembos look good.
I can't afford it. I know, I can't afford it 2 days ago.
Right here?
Dog, my hair running ass, bro.
That's what everybody was saying.
I'll go read it.
I don't want to lick.
That was super cool. Dude just came up to me, asked for my autograph, my signature, whatever. So really nice to meet you, AJ, I believe. Super cool to meet you. That was awesome. Whole bunch of signatures on his wing. I think that is really cool. Definitely a way to make new friends. But yeah, we're gonna go catch videos on the strip and everything, and yeah, I'm glad that you guys are seeing my videos. That is fire. Yeah, I'm so excited. So let me go grab videos for you guys. Bunch of people out, trying not to get copyrighted, trying to get all these clips for you guys. Beautiful cars here again today. Car's all cleaned up. Alyssa got her full effects shirt on. What is going on? What? So that's crazy. What is happening? autographed the spoiler. People behind me that recognize me, so shout out to you guys. I don't want to pull my camera up because that's kind of embarrassing, and I'm too awkward, but I appreciate y'all. Y'all know who you are. Right at the lake, you guys know. Shout out to you guys. Battery! Shout out to you, Jet. Shout out to you for watching the video. I appreciate you. There's cops everywhere. Oh, Jesus.
What a guy.